Hello friends, Namaste, I am Vasanta from VS Gardens. Today in the morning itself, it's 6 o'clock, of course morning. It is 6 o'clock already, but the atmosphere is like this here. And why I came is here. What happened is full of aphids, like, okay. These are these long beans have been affected by aphids. So what I thought is what to do. I was thinking, and I thought that it should be removed immediately. Okay, it should be removed immediately. Otherwise, what will happen is I have put on the light. It's too dark. Okay, so to show you how it has been affected. So this is how my plant has been affected. See here, so many there. See here. See here. All these are aphids. Okay, so it has been attacked like this, and I thought I have to do immediately something or the other. Full climber has been attacked. I have 3 of them. See here, I have 3. In these 3 I'm growing these long beans, and if we look after them carefully, lots and lots of beans will be coming. But we should be very careful whether any thing is attacking, or we have to look after this part. We have to immediately see, otherwise the crop will go. Already I had harvested 2-3 from this small plant. From this small plant I have harvested 3, I think 3 long beans. So it will, so many will be coming off. So many of them will be coming off. So what I did is I have that this ash gourd. Ash, no, I'm sorry, ash. I have this ash, and I sprayed on it. So here I'm storing some ash here. This I will get, where I will get means, these watchmen, no, they will be burning some sticks because of this cold. Okay, because it's very cold, they have been they are burning some sticks and all. So on this, from that I will be getting this, I can get this, and I will spray whenever there is a problem. We can spray it like that. For the first thing I'll do, this is what I'll do for the firstly. Okay, so let's see how it will be. Okay, and next what is there means, just now a cow and a crow not a cow, a crow entered into my, and it was trying to enter into my garden, and I'm so yeah, I'm having these tomatoes here which have been ripened. So okay, all of them are ripened. See here, so nice they are. No, I'm going to harvest these, because they'll come and attack these big tomatoes. If they are taking small cherry tomatoes, it is okay if they'll take 1 or 2 cherry tomatoes and go. But if they attack these, no, what will happen is full tomato will be spoiled, isn't it? We can't take them again and eat. Okay, prepare something from it. That's why I just came came to spray this on the this ash on this long beans. But I have seen that so many tomatoes have been ripened, and crow is crow is there. It just came and went off. Otherwise you should have seen. I would have shown you that crow which is trying to attack my garden. Hey, me too. Where are you? See here. So many are coming, and I want to harvest them, only tomatoes. Okay, I will take only tomatoes here, and see how they are. So many of them are coming off, and I stopped counting also, because so many are coming off. I stopped counting. I can't count now. See here, this is how they are coming, and here also there are so many of them. Here also we can take from here. Okay, so my tomato plants are growing very healthily, and yeah, even I can afterwards I take. Okay, see here, it's becoming lengthy, no? So I will take this, all these tomatoes I will be removing because some crows are coming here and I just don't want to leave this. If they take 2 or 3 of cherry tomatoes, it's okay, but if they attack this bigger ones, means it will be a problem for me. Okay, so this is how I am getting all these tomatoes. And next, actually I didn't come for harvesting, but but what to do? So here you can find these flowers. Even I have some brinjals also. I'll show you afterwards in my next video. Okay. See here, this is very beautiful. Small flowers, buds are also coming. See here, the colors are coming here. After they becoming into flowers, I'll show you. Okay. And so this is what I'm doing at present. So let's see how it will work out. And yeah, we have another other things we can do, which we can do when when aphids and all, aphids, leaf curl and all will come. Even leaf curl will come for maybe curl will come for this. Even a tomato plant also leaf curl will be coming, and we have to, what we have to do if leaf curl, if you find leaf curl, means I will tell you in my next episode. So this one, see here, it's growing. See here, this small one, this is apple bear. Okay, it is growing here, one is there here. Oh my god, what happened? Here so small it is. Okay, this is also growing here, and I have seen one more here. 3 are coming up. I don't know how far it will come up, but all these leaves are falling down and something is attacking also for this. See here, something is attacking. So maybe all the leaves will come down, and they will get fresh leaves from we can get fresh leaves out of it. Okay, this is what I want to share with you. Okay, then thank you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you can get my next videos. Okay, then thank you. Bye.